Decoding Your GRE Mistakes, the Path to Improvement. Hello, dedicated learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most critical aspects of GRE test preparation: reviewing incorrect answers on practice tests. It's not just about realizing you made a mistake, but understanding why it happened and how to avoid it next time. Let's get started. When we're preparing for the GRE, it's easy to feel disheartened by incorrect answers. But mistakes are a goldmine of information. Every incorrect answer provides a glimpse into areas of improvement. The key is not just to spot the mistake, but to decode it. 1. Isolate the question. Before you look at the correct answer or explanations, reread the question. Did you understand it correctly the first time? Often, misreading or misunderstanding the question is a prime reason for errors. 2. Resolve without options. Try solving the question again without looking at the options. This can often give you clarity on where you went wrong, especially for quantitative questions. 3. Compare your approach with the solution. Now, refer to the solutions. What was different in your approach? Was it a conceptual error, a calculation mistake, or perhaps a time management issue? 4. Categorize the mistake. This is crucial. Label each mistake. Is it 5. A content gap? You didn't know the rule or formula. 6. A strategy flaw? You used an inefficient method. 7. A careless error? You knew the concept but made a silly mistake. 8. A pacing problem? You rushed or spent too much time. 9. Make notes. Maintain a notebook or digital document dedicated to errors. Jot down the question, what you thought, what the actual solution is, and your takeaway. This becomes your mistake journal, which you should regularly revisit. Mistakes are inevitable, but every error is an opportunity. Act on the feedback. If you've identified content gaps, schedule time to review those areas. Practice mindfulness. For careless errors, being present and double-checking can be a game changer. Adjust your strategy. If a particular strategy keeps leading you astray, maybe it's time to learn a new one or tweak your approach. Simulate exam conditions. Familiarize yourself with the test environment. This can help alleviate pacing problems, ensuring you're neither too fast nor too slow. Remember, the goal isn't to get every question right in your practice sessions. It's to learn from each mistake, so on test day, you're armed with knowledge and strategies to tackle the GRE with confidence. Keep reviewing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Here's to your GRE success.